So the last little bit here is we have a little quiz to see how much you have understood from today. It's not, I mean, it's more just for your benefit to know, did today's material make sense to you? What questions do you still have? So it's going to be using Mentimeter again. So if you want to jump into the Mentimeter and participate, that would be great. Again, you can use, let me copy this again, put it in the chat. All right, I see a couple people jumping in. If you do need to leave early, please make sure you do the survey before you leave. Great. Okay. Oh, excellent. I see tons of people have joined. All right. Well, you can continue to join as we start this. So here we go. Here is question number one. Our system, Perlmutter, is named after a biologist named Pearl Mutter. Is this true, false, or even really false? Okay, almost have everybody answered. 3 more seconds, 3 more seconds, 3 more seconds. Okay, good, excellent. False and really false. Our system is in fact named after a physicist, an astronomer named Saul Perlmutter. Excellent. Good. Okay. Next, approximately, oh, is it showing an answer? Oh no. Actually, that's not the answer. Approximately how many system users does NERSC have? Okay, anyone else? Any last? All right, let's see. What did people say? Okay, so 10, 11, 13, 14, and maybe 5. So actually, I thought I changed this morning. The answer should be around 11, but 10 to 11 is about correct. So yeah, I thought I changed this to 11 this morning, but yes, it was around 10 or 11,000 NERSC users. Yeah, nice. Okay. If I need help using Perlmutter, I should submit a help ticket that says Perlmutter is broken, call me.
Ironically, we get a lot of tickets that are analogous to this too.
Hold All right. Yay, everyone said no, don't do that. Excellent. Yes, please don't do that. That is not going to be very successful. If you do that, of course, we will still follow up with you, but it will just take us a longer time to help you. So overall, it will be less efficient. Okay, it is okay to share my NERSC password as long as it is with only one collaborator. Okay, everyone has responded. Okay. Yes, well done. So no and absolutely not. That's absolutely correct. Please don't do this. It is not appropriate to share your password at all. Okay, which NERSC resource could you check to find out information about your projects, node hours used, and storage use? 2 more seconds, 2 more seconds, 2 more seconds. All right, Iris, mostly Iris, Docs. This is the one, one of the few instances where Docs is not going to help you, unfortunately. You will want to go to Iris and check out information about your projects. How- Oops, I don't know what's happening. Okay, are people seeing this question that says name one thing you need in order to log into Perlmutter?
Um, yeah. Mhm.
Okay, I was getting a thing that said my connection is unstable, so.
I hesitated because the screen looked a little different for me, but it
Hmm,
was like a different color, but it still had the same question.
interesting. Okay, any more responses? I see 4 people have responded. 5, 7. Okay, they're coming in. They're coming in. Keep going. All right, here we go. What do we see? We have two-factor authentication, nurse password, FFA, token. Great. Yes, these are all correct answers. Very well done. Very good. Okay, which storage system is the most performant for running computation on Perlmutter? Okay, almost everyone has responded. Very good. Yes, Scratch. So Scratch is the most performant, then community file system, definitely not home. Great. Okay. Files in Scratch are permanent. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. No, that's right. They are not permanent. They are absolutely not permanent. If you're not actively using them, they may be purged. Good. All right. Where should I install a Conda environment for the best performance while running a calculation on Perlmutter? This is an open-ended question. 30 more seconds. Okay, let's see, what did people say? Home, community software file. Yep. CFS or in a container. Okay, so the best answer for this is actually global common. So that's what someone has written here, global common software. Container is good. CFS is okay, but really the best solution is using global common software. Good. Okay. And this is something for us. What is something new or surprising that you learned today? Hopefully you learned something new. Maybe not surprising, but new. Let's see, what are people saying? Met a lot of smart people. Oh, that's amazing. Excellent. Okay, so you learn about the file systems. There is a NUG Slack workspace with multiple channels. So you can find channels that are maybe even specific to the software that you're using or the type of work you're doing. And we post all kinds of things about, what kinds of events are happening, things like that. So and you have access to us. If you have questions for us, you can message us there. Um, okay, anything else coming in? 20 more seconds. Quota system, yeah, that's important to keep track of. Your quota, especially if you go over quota, then you actually kind of can't get into the system until you remove things. So great. Okay. And lastly, if you're still here, if you're still with me, after today's session, how are you feeling? I know mostly everyone was excited, maybe you're all super excited. Is anyone now feeling nervous? They weren't before, now they are. Hopefully not, but let's see, how are people feeling? Okay, yay! Oh my goodness, wonderful. People are feeling even more excited, and if I'm not mistaken, less nervous on average. So that's fantastic. Wonderful. Well, thank you so much. Make sure you complete the survey for today before heading out. And we will see you tomorrow for the second half of new user training. Um, so if you have any other questions, we'll be here, but otherwise, see you tomorrow.
Yes, thank you everyone for attending and welcome the nurse.
Yeah,
Thank you. Bye.
thank
Thank
you.
you. Happy Wednesday. See
Happy
you guys tomorrow.
Wednesday. Yep. Awesome. Okay, see you all tomorrow.
Okay, do we have any questions?
Bye.
Thank you guys. Good first day.